Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Ezoic setup for faster RPM growth, complete guide step by step clearly. To configure Ezoic setup for faster RPM growth, start by signing into your Ezoic account. Navigate to the dashboard to access your website settings. Click on the Sites tab to add or select your website. If you are adding a new site, enter the URL and follow the verification process. Once verified, proceed to enable Ezoic services for your site. Access the monetization section from the left sidebar. Choose the ad placements that suit your design and user experience best. Enable automatic ad placements for optimized earnings. Next, navigate to the page speed section to activate Ezoic speed optimization settings. Enable the options for cache and image optimization to improve loading times. Check the ad tester feature to experiment with different ad formats and placements. Monitor the performance metrics closely for insights on what works best. Adjust ad placements based on which combinations yield the highest RPM. Utilize the analytics feature to analyze visitor behavior and revenue patterns. Experiment with different ad color themes to increase visibility without disrupting user experience. Consider enabling Ezoic's layout A/B testing to see which configurations perform better. Make incremental changes based on data analysis, focusing on both RPM and user engagement. Review the content section to ensure your articles are optimized for both SEO and user retention. Leverage Ezoic's insights to identify high-performing content and promote it accordingly. Continuously monitor your reports to track progress and make data-driven adjustments. Remember to keep your website's user experience front and center during this process. As you implement these strategies, stay patient and allow time for optimization adjustments to yield results. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.